I'm going to show you how I do the back of a punch needle. So I've cut it and trimmed it. I've mitered the corners, as you can see here. So then I separate with little slits, and I'm just going to hot glue it, and I'm using low temp glue so that I don't burn myself. Just put a little bit on there and then push it to the back. So I mitered my corners really close because they're not going to come out, as you can see that. Dab a little glue. You be really sure that you get some right there at that corner. And push it back enough that no weaver's cloth is going to show from the front. Just keep going around. So then I go back to the corners, and if there's little lips there, I just kind of touch it because there's usually some glue on there, and just tuck that back so that you don't see it. And that's it.